Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Channel. Today the market has ended 31st July. It was a monthly expiry, and we noticed a very volatile movement on both sides for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Um, let's see what happened, what is waiting for tomorrow, August 1st. Currently, when we see the NIFT put call ratio is 1.04. Previously, the previous session was 0.87, so put call ratio has increased. So this is indicating um, selling. The traders are selling more put options than call options. Uh, that indicates bullish sentiment for Nifty. And India VIX is a little bit improved to 11.4, but still 11.54 is at lower side only. Still some volatility can be seen. So if we see Nifty, um, there was a huge movement today from 260, 24,634 to 24,900. So almost 350 points. And from there, again, it fell down to 200 points. So there was a movement in both sides, upside and downside, which was expected. And for Bank Nifty, it was more volatile. So from 548, it moved to 400. It was almost 900 points rally upward, and from there it again fall below 600 points. So both the Nifty and Bank Nifty had movement on both sides. And yesterday I predicted it will be a range bound at the large side and volatility will be a high. If you see yesterday's prediction, what I say. Okay, let's go for tomorrow quickly. For August 1st. Tomorrow it's the first day of the month, first day of the trade day. So mostly I feel the market, Nifty and Bank Nifty could be in a flat range. So premiums could be higher. So I would suggest generally for option buyers to avoid trading or do less trading for tomorrow, and do not trade between this range 24,600 to 24,830, between this 230 points. Do not trade because your premium get eroded. There is a chance. Okay, so when you see the price is currently at the 100 EMA support in daily chart, let me show you. So if you see here, this red line is 100 EMI. So currently it is at the support. Okay, but the 4 days before itself, Nifty turned into a bearish side, breaking the daily chart trend. It went below this trend, but what we are seeing is just a recovery, but we cannot say Nifty is completely turned bullish. So today it tried to stay above 24,900. If it would have stayed above 24,900, Nifty could be considered bullish. But it ended below 24,900. It is in fact fallen 200 points, 24,688. So it can be more flat range, or it can even consolidate more. But we cannot tell it is completely bullish. But considering currently at current status, it is at the support. So if it breaks 24,600, then we can see more downside movement. Okay, let's go back the comments. Yes, price is currently at the support, 24,950 to 25,000, acting as strong resistance. So 24,600 is a support, and upside it is 24,950 to 25,000 will be a strong resistance. So today's day expiry day, we saw it was a very 24,956. It pushed below two times, and the market finally pushed. So 24,956, this 960 to 25,000 will act as a strong resistance. Okay, so if the uh, price break below 24,500, likely I don't think tomorrow it can give such a big movement as first day. But if with the Trump news, tariff news, etc., if it decides to be continuing the bearish trend, then it will definitely break 24,500. If it breaks, then the target will be 24,312. Yes. So this is about Nifty. So, but moreover, what I expect is price will stay from 24,600, the support, and to the pivot here, 24,853. So only above 24,830, go for any buy side. But again, there is a strong resistance will be 24,950 and 25,000. So I put it here. Please check it and trade cautiously for tomorrow. And for Bank Nifty, we see strong sort of strong resistance. Okay, where we have the comment. Okay, Bank Nifty, as I told for yesterday, it will be range bound between 330 and 850. It was exactly what happening. But since I gave a very wider range because it was an expiry day, it's okay. It is done and dusted. So for tomorrow, currently at the support 55,940. So see, if you see here, 55,900 will be the support. So you should enter sell position if it breaks 55,900. So it has closed now at 55,961. The next support is at 55,900. So you can enter sell side below 55,900. In case if it opens a gap down, wait for it. Probably it can fall more below. Yeah. But Bank Nifty likely to stay above 55,775. So if it breaks 55,775, then 55,500 will be the target. Like to stable. If it breaks below 55,770, 55,530 will be the first target, and 55,444 will be the second target. So likely it doesn't tomorrow. I don't think it will break below 55,530. It can come probably to 55,30, and again it will close around 55,900. This is my expectation. On top side, if you're doing any buy position which is above 56,000, and you can enter buy position above 56,000, but 56,100 will be the resistance. If it breaks 56,100, then you can say you can have some above position till 56,275. Okay, but I expect the price will go between 56,100 and 55,900 or 55,775. So likely it will be flat. CPR is very narrow. So if there is a big movement, wait for this break. For yesterday's low 55,500, you can capture a good point, or above 56,100, you can capture a good point at the upside. In middle side, it can be a range bound. So option buyers do not stay in the trade for long. Okay. This is the prediction for tomorrow. I would wish people do a safe trade and a happy trade.